Hello students. Now I am going to teach you the second part of chapter Major Domain of the Earth, and this is chapter 5 Geography. So what is continent? First you should understand this word. Continent are a major landmass on the earth which are separated by huge water bodies. As you can see on the screen, the different colors, these are the major landforms, and if you count it, you will get that its number is 7. So the total number of our continents are 7. The one is Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and last Antarctica. These are seven continents that present on our earth. Number 1 is Asia continent. This continent is the world's largest continent. This continent lies in the eastern hemisphere, not in western hemisphere. And the important latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, also passes through this continent. What is the value of Tropic of Cancer? That is 23.5 degree north. The highest mountain peak, that is Mount Everest, is also exist in this continent. And what is the height of this Mount Everest? Its height is 8,848 meter. And anyone asks to you that in which country this Mount Everest exists, एशिया के कौन से कंट्री में ये माउंट एवरेस्ट है, तो आप बताएंगे नेपाल. नेपाल is a country in which Mount Everest exists. And यूराल माउंटेन के बारे में जानिए क्या है ये. यूराल माउंटेन इज द माउंटेन विच सेपरेट एशिया फ्रॉम यूरोप. देयर इज नो एनी ओशियन बिटवीन एशिया एंड यूरोप. देयर इज अ माउंटेन बैरियर विच सेपरेटेड एशिया फ्रॉम यूरोप. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट. कुछ माउंट एवरेस्ट के बारे में और भी जानिए. दैट एडमंड हिलेरी ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड एंड तेंजिंग नोरगे शेरपा ऑफ इंडिया वर द फर्स्ट men to climb this highest mountain peak, Mount Everest. एंड वुमेन में किसने सबसे पहले चढ़ाई करी, तो वो हैं जुमको तबई ऑफ जापान. जापान के जुमको तबई ने सबसे पहले इस माउंट एवरेस्ट को छुआ. और भारत की बेचेंद्री पाल ने इन द ईयर ऑफ 1984 means she was the first Indian woman to climb this highest peak. Now second number पर है यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट. This continent is much smaller than Asia, and this continent lies to the west of the Asia. और आपको मैंने एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट जब पढ़ाया तो उसमें बताया कि there is a mountain, that is Ural mountain. Ural mountain divided Europe from Asia, and the combined land mass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Now यूरोप कॉन्टिनेंट को तीन तरफ से वाटर बॉडीज ने घेर रखा है. वो कौन कौन सी वाटर बॉडीज हैं? दैट इज नॉर्दर्न साइड में आर्कटिक ओशियन, इसके वेस्टर्न साइड में अटलांटिक ओशियन और सदर्न साइड में मेडिटेरेनियन सी. दीज आर द थ्री लैंड बॉडीज विच सराउंड द यूरोप. देयर आर मेनी कंट्रीज इन यूरोप लाइक सम पार्ट ऑफ रशिया, पोलैंड, यूक्रेन, जर्मनी, फ्रांस, स्विट्जरलैंड, इटली, स्पेन, नॉर्वे, स्वीडन. इस तरीके से बहुत सारी कंट्रीज, इंग्लैंड जो यूरोप में हैं. नाउ अफ्रीका. अफ्रीका इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट आफ्टर एशिया. द बिगेस्ट इज एशिया एंड द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट इज अफ्रीका. This is the only continent through which Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn passes. These are the three important latitudes. The value of Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north, and value of Equator is 0 degree, and Tropic of Capricorn value is 23.5 degree south. So this is the only continent through which three important latitudes passes. And the word hottest, largest hot desert, that is Sahara Desert, is also located in Africa. So please see on the screen, this is the location of world हॉटेस्ट डिजर्ट सहारा डिजर्ट, ये सहारा डिजर्ट की लोकेशन है, यहाँ पर सहारा डिजर्ट है. एंड द वर्ल्ड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर, रिवर नाइल, इज ऑल्सो फ्लो in Africa. This is the situation of world longest river Nile. Always remember this. It can be asked in your examination. These are some facts about Africa continent that you should learn. So, North America. This is the third largest continent of the world. Number 1 is Asia, number 2 is Africa, and number 3 is North America. North America linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land, and this narrow strip of our land is known as Isthmus of Panama. ठीक है? Now see on the screen. इसके देखो नीचे की तरफ, दिस इज अ वेरी नैरो स्ट्रिप ऑफ अ लैंड, एंड दिस नैरो स्ट्रिप ऑफ अ लैंड विच कनेक्ट North America to South America, this is known as isthmus. Okay, isthmus is a narrow strip of a land which connect two big land mass and separated two large water bodies. So this narrow piece of a land is known as isthmus, and this isthmus is known as isthmus of Panama. ये isthmus of Panama क्या कर रही है, नॉर्थ अमेरिका को साउथ अमेरिका से कनेक्ट कर रही है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ पैसिफिक ओशियन को अटलांटिक ओशियन से अलग कर रही है. सो दिस इज एन isthmus, and this North America is surrounded by 3 water bodies. What are the name of these water bodies? In the northern side, it's surrounded by Arctic Ocean. In western side, there is a Pacific Ocean, and in eastern side there is a Atlantic Ocean. So these are the 3 water bodies that surrounds North America. Now South America. South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. Okay, if you draw a vertical line, if you see, have you seen equator on the globe? So इक्वेटर के अपर पोर्शन को हम नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर कहते हैं और उसके लोअर पोर्शन को हम सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर कहते हैं. तो ग्लोब पर साउथ अमेरिका ऑलमोस्ट ज्यादा पोर्शन उसका सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में ही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रिटन दैट इट इज मोस्टली लाइज इन अ सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. देयर आर मेनी कंट्रीज इन साउथ अमेरिका, दैट इज ब्राजील, बोलिविया, देन अर्जेंटीना, कोलंबो, वेनेजुएला, Peru, then Ecuador. So these are major countries of South America. Some facts you should know about South America. Andes, the world longest mountain, also exist in South America. कहाँ से कहाँ तक ये फैला हुआ है? It starts from Venezuela and then Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Argentina. This is the location of Andes mountain. So this is the world longest mountain. Okay, and South America has the world largest river, Amazon river. Amazon river भी इसी साउथ अमेरिका में है, जो कि वर्ल्ड की सबसे लार्जेस्ट रिवर है. लार्जेस्ट रिवर और लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर में फर्क होता है. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर मतलब होता है लेंथ में कौन बड़ी है, और लार्जेस्ट रिवर किसको कहते हैं, इन टर्म ऑफ वाटर कैरिंग कैपेसिटी कौन से रिवर की बहुत ज्यादा है. सो कौन से रिवर की वाटर कैरिंग कैपेसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है, दैट इज अमेजन. क्यों इसकी वाटर कैरिंग कैपेसिटी ज्यादा है, बिकॉज इट लोडेड the many tributaries water. There are many tributaries, a small stream of the waters that brings water and mix water into this Amazon river. That's why in term of the volume of the water, this Amazon river awarded as world largest river. I think you all have understood it. Now Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. ठीक है, सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा था, एशिया, और सबसे छोटा कॉन्टिनेंट कौन सा है, दैट इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. And this is the continent which surrounded from all sides by ocean and sea. So this is the reason why this continent is known as island continent, because island is a land mass. Usually island is a land mass which surrounded from all the side by water bodies. So Australia also follow this quality. That's why this continent is known as island continent. Now the last continent is Antarctica. This is a very huge continent that lies completely in a southern hemisphere, and this in at the middle of this continent the South Pole exists. This is completely frozen. It is covered permanently by a thick ice sheet, so human living permanently is not possible. And but many countries have established here its research center to research about space, about climate, about geography, about climatology. Many countries have established its research center here. India also has its two research center in Antarctica, that is Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. So now here this topic, that was a continent. About I tried to explain you about a 7 continents. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, thank you.